So what are 3 foods that Belgium's known for? It's known for fries, chocolate, and waffles. We're gonna try to find all 3.
Meg, I'm so happy right now.
Hey, we're Colin and Meg, and we're continuing our big European family adventure. In our previous videos, we took a road trip around the whole country of Ireland and Northern Ireland before we hopped over to the Netherlands, where we explored Amsterdam on bikes and explored the charming villages of Volendam and Marken. Woohoo! Let's go!
The code for this thing is bleep, 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 bleep. It's locked.
Bye, Albert!
If you're here for the first time, we've been sharing our family travels for nearly 2 years now, and we're so glad you're here. We're on a mission to visit 50 countries with our kids, and Belgium is country number 29. In this video, we arrived in Brussels by taking a train from Amsterdam and immediately went on a spontaneous DIY food tour.
Hey, Mama. I love you 16 million.
I love you 16 million.
Belgium is known for a lot of things, but we're on the hunt for chocolate, beer, waffles, and French fries. Let's not waste any more time. Let's eat. Welcome to Brussels!
When we got out of our Uber, you immediately smelled beef tallow because there's a shop selling Belgian fries. Oh man.
The palace is so beautiful and bigger than I expected. Not that I did much research, but I walked around the corner and it like made me gasp because it's so beautiful.
That's beautiful. I just love that we're in a new country, that our kids' minds are just growing. I feel like they're just sprouting to be Brussels.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so when we're home in South Carolina, we try to go to Waffle House on Wednesdays. We call it Waffle Wednesdays. But in Belgium, it's just waffle every day.
Yes, all right, let's follow Daddy.
Gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, the sun came out. We're gonna go eat some waffles with the view of the palace. Wow, it's a great, great afternoon.
This is too much good.
They gave us these forks, but I kind of just want to eat like a taco.
Wait.
Maybe you can't do that.
Wow, y'all. Wow.
Chocolate all over your face.
I don't care. I'm so happy. Look.
Still there.
Oh, my fingers are all covered. I don't know what to do.
Okay.
This is reason alone to take a train and go to Belgium. Okay, the Belgians invented the French fries. Believe it or not, it was not Ronald McDonald. Megan did her bit of Googling. These fries were twice fried in beef tallow. And that's what you smell as soon as, like earlier when we got off the taxi to get to this hotel, that was the first thing that hits you. So I went back to the source. Here we go. Oh my gosh, Megan. The people here eat it with mayonnaise. Don't knock it till you try it. It's really good. The fries are like perfectly crispy, and then as soon as you bit into it, it's perfectly soft. And because it's like this thick, you get like a lot of it. It's like eating mashed potatoes but with a crust. I'm not joking, these are really good. I'm not just like hyping it up. These are really good.
So now we find ourselves in Les Galeries Royales St. Hubert. I'm not sure exactly if you have to say the whole thing, but that's where we are. It's an indoor shopping mall that's really, really beautiful. Apparently there's a lot of chocolate here, some food, and some expensive shops. And it's famous because of how pretty it is.
Yeah, so it's really just 2 blocks, and on one side is like chocolatiers and leather shops, and then on this side there's more casual places and a few cafes, a restaurant, and you can like sit, drink coffee, eat waffles. They figure something out. They have figured something out.
Hot take is we're walking through the winding, charming streets of Brussels with restaurants with open flames, cooking food. It smells delicious, mixture of savory and the Belgian waffle scent. I don't even know. Where should we eat? Where should we eat?
I can't film in that restaurant because, you know, it's a restaurant.
And it's a restaurant.
But it looks so decadent in there. It looks like a moment in time in the past. It looks like a painting. Everyone served these giant plates of pasta and mussels. And it doesn't look that expensive. We're a block away from the palace, and these winding streets are just filled with these really classic looking restaurants. Everyone's just dressed to the nines, having a good meal, having a good time. It looks warm and cozy. There's a fire in them.
Are you the owner of this shop? No, you just work here. Okay, on a beach. I get that. Yeah. Colin, so it's by weight.
Okay.
So do you want to help me pick a few that we can just try? And then Colin.
I want one that's your favorite one.
But it's not here. It was here.
Oh my gosh! I want this one.
Okay.
What's your second favorite?
But this with fresh meat.
Okay, a mint. Okay, I'll take one.
They're like a Belgian flavor.
A classic one?
No, it's not a thing. It's just chocolate. Just good chocolate.
It's an American client's question.
Okay. Well, it's like we just don't.
We're not from America.
Yeah, what makes you think that?
We're from Antwerp.
Yeah, sure. This with champagne, they are very alcoholic, in my opinion.
Champagne.
It's very good, well done thing.
Oh wow.
Oh, I would take one of those.
Champagne.
You sold me.
Okay, if it's good, we'll be back. If it's not, then we won't.
I'll see you then. Not a question.
Her American accent was so on point. She was like, everyone comes in here and says, so which one's the most popular? I don't know if Colin filmed her answer, but her answer was really good. All of this is the most popular. I was like, touche. Charlotte got the caramel egg, so take a bite right here and tell us what you think.
Oh, show them the inside. Show them the inside. You gotta lick all your fingers. This is the strawberry. Try it.
Strawberry caramel, I think.
Ooh, it's juicy inside.
You like it?
Oh
No.
god. Strawberry. Oh. Oh, it's actually really good.
Hey, I'm gonna try.
It tastes like oh, you would like this. It tastes like PB&J without the peanut butter.
This is orange and marzipan. It is really good, really fruity. What's that? This one, she said, has champagne.
Ah, you do it.
Okay. Oh,
Yes?
that one's my favorite.
Why?
You'll see. Daddy will see why.
Is it chocolate? A rattle.
Wow.
A rattle.
Tastes like it tastes like champagne.
What?
Right.
What do you think?
It tastes like you're drink. Okay, you can have the
No, I
rest.
shouldn't.
No,
I shouldn't. It's really.
You have.
have it. I'm a fan. That is really good. There are so many chocolatier places literally on every corner, but oh my goodness, it's so good.
Also so much fun that every corner of the city is selling you waffles and chocolate. It may seem touristy or overrated, but if I could choose one thing to be at every corner of every street, chocolate is not a bad option. Way to go, Brussels. Way to go, Belgium. We only had a few hours in Brussels, but I say they were hours well spent. Stay tuned for the next episode in Belgium as we explore the city of Bruges.